Hello viewers, welcome to linuxscale.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Subsonic on CentOS 7. Subsonic is a media server for streaming media files over the network. It is a web-based music streamer, broadcast receiver and a jukebox that is used to enjoy music from anywhere. It also provides a facility to share music files and folders. Okay, now let us see how to install Subsonic on CentOS 7. Now here before starting installation we have to need Java. Here we have to use Java version 1.8.0. Okay, now here first of all we have to download the Subsonic RPM package by using duplicate command. The download is going on. The download is complete now. Now we have to install the Subsonic. Run the following command. Click OK and continue the installation. Now the installation is completed. Now we have to check the status of Subsonic. Now here we can see Subsonic service is running. Then we have to enter to the host file. Here give our local IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Subsonic service. Then after restarting our Subsonic service, we have to open the browser. Here you can give a IP address or domain name. Here I am giving my domain name. Then give port number. Now here it will show on a Subsonic login page. Then here we can see the default username and password admin. So now here we have to give username and password. Then we have to click login. Now here we can see admin page of Subsonic. Then here if you want change your password, click here. Then here select change password. Then give your new password. Then confirm password. Then give email address. Then click on save. Thus you have seen how to install Subsonic on CentOS 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel linuxscale. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscale.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscale.com.